Welcome to AI Hustle, where AI is made easy. Here we show you how to use artificial intelligence to work smarter, create faster, and even make money online. Don't miss out on the future of AI. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our videos. Go is the face of your business, and with AI you don't need to pay 50,000 naira or more to a designer. You can do it yourself in minutes. Stick with me to the end because I will not only show you how to design stunning logos with AI, but also how you can turn this into a side hustle and start making money. Now let's talk why logo matter. Before we jump into AI tools, let's talk about why logos are important. Number 1, logos show first impression counts. Your logo is the first thing people see. It builds trust and professionalism. Number 2, brand identity. A strong logo makes your brand memorable. Think MTN's yellow bubble or GT Bank Range Square. Versatility is number 3. This make your business cards on Instagram or other social media to look more attractive to your potential customers. In Nigeria and across Africa, small businesses are booming, but most lack proper branding. This is where you, armed with AI, can stand out. Now let's get practical here. Here are some of the best AI tools to create logos instantly. Number 1 is Canva AI. Canva AI is free, user-friendly, with logo templates that you can edit. Number 2 is Looka.com. Looka.com generates unique logos from your brand name and style preference. Number 3 is Design Hell AI Logo Maker. This particular AI logo is popular for small businesses. Number 4 is Hatchful by Shopify. 100% free and beginner friendly. Now let's show the practical aspects of this logo making. What you do is come here, open your Canva. So wait for the Canva to load and open. Okay, the Canva is open. Then you come over here, you see AI, you click on AI. When you click on AI, as you open this and ask you to describe your idea, then open here, then write something like this. Generate a logo. The business name, you put in the business name there. Okay. Niger Food Express. The industry is under the food industry. Then the style that will be applied to the logo: bold, fun, and traditional. After this, you click on here, okay, for it to generate. Now the AI is thinking, bringing together information to generate logos. Okay, now you can see. Okay, so okay, now you can see logo 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now these logos that are here, we can choose any of them and open it. Use Canva editor here to open it in Canva editor. Okay, now it's open in Canva editor. Okay, So if you want to edit or add anything, adjust it, you can use these buttons down here to adjust it. You get adjust some things that you want to adjust, replace or resize, even to remove the background, anything that you want to do. If this FS effect, you can use it on it. Anything that you think you want to, the effect you want to make on the logo that the AI generated, you can do all that from here. You can touch each layers. You can see the layers here. You can see everything you need. And when you go to more, you can also see, you can resize the page. You can choose to delete the page. You can even duplicate. Okay, and you can also detach the image from the background. So the background will be different and the image will be different. You can also add text here. You can add elements. You can add any other image you want to add to the already made design. You can add it from here, gallery. Okay, so these are the tools that you need, okay, to do complete the editing. Okay, so once you are done with the editing, you can come over here. You see this download button, you click on it, and when you click on it, you will see something like this. Something like this. Okay, now it's actually saving the image. Now you see it's already saved to the gallery. Okay, the image has been saved to my gallery. So like this, you can generate 50 logos in a day. It doesn't have any limit. Just use the right keywords, the right prompts, like the one I gave you, and you just generate any type of logo you want. Just have the idea in your mind and you generate it. So let's continue. Now, after seeing how we can create our logo with Canva AI and other AIs that I mentioned in this video, let's talk about where it gets interesting. How you can turn AI logo creation into a hustle. Now, ways to monetize this particular AI logo making is: number one, by freelancing. You can create accounts on Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. People pay up to $10 to $50 on these platforms that I just mentioned for logo design. Even at $20 per logo, 5 clients a week, that's around $400 per month. Now the second part is local business hustle. You can walk into shops, boutiques, and all the startups in your area and tell them that you can design a professional logo for them. Now, instead of charging them like 40 or 50,000, you can charge them as low as 5,000 or 10,000. Then use AI tools to deliver your logo instantly. Let's talk about the number 3, which is social media ads. You can also open a social page for your logo design hustle. Then there you can showcase your logos which you have already designed with AI. You can just design logos with AI and post it there. You can run ads, and from there you will get clients that want you to design logo for them. Then number 4 is bundles. What this means is you offer logo, flyer, and business card as a package. So you can go to a business place, a boutique, or a restaurant, then you can tell them that you are offering them a promo package which consists of a logo for their business, a flyer for their business, and business card at a discount price which you will give them, which will also be beneficial to you and affordable for the client. So this is the 4 ways you can monetize this particular skills that I have taught you in this video. And always remember, the money isn't just in designing logos, it is in branding packages, and AI gives you the speed and creativity to deliver that. Now, these are the tips I will give you to keep in mind if you want to shine as an AI logo creator. Don't just accept the first logo AI gives you. Always customize the font, color, and layout. Study color psychology, for example, green, which means growth, red, which means passion, blue, which means trust. Offer unlimited revision. AI makes this easy. It builds clients' confidence. Build a portfolio for yourself. You can create 10 sample logos using Canva AI. You can post them on any platform. You can get clients from Instagram, Facebook, Fiverr, Upwork, any other social media platform that you can get clients from. And there you have it. With AI, you can create stunning professional logos in minutes. No design experience required. This isn't just about saving money. It's about creating opportunity. Imagine how many small businesses in Nigeria and Africa are waiting for affordable professional branding. That's your market. Now, question for you is, what business would you like to design a logo for with AI? And I will reply with AI generated logo ideas. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications, because here on AI Hustle we make AI easy, practical, and profitable. Until next time, keep hustling smart with AI.